My name is Emma and I'll be giving you a science experiment lesson. So first what you do is you get out all your stuff you need for the experiment. And I'm going to be doing a geography chart experiment, but in this case it was hot water, a clear bowl, ice water, and food coloring. And whatever the card says for the instructions for it. So with mine, it was you fill the bowl halfway with ice water and you add food coloring to your hot water, and then you gently pour the hot water over the ice water. And after a while, like a minute, you should be able to watch it slowly sink in. But while it does that, the rest of the experiment, the rest of the work, is that you take a piece of paper, or sometimes it has its own sheet, and then you write down what it is you observed, and sometimes it asks a different question, but most of the time it's what you observed and what you did to do the science experiment. So if you can see it, the food coloring sunk in a little bit, and that is because of the hot water remained at the top because it's less dense. Like the ocean, the hot water stays on the top and the cool water stays on the bottom, and when it sinks in, that's what causes the water to move. So thank you for watching my lesson.